If you run a SaaS company, here's the hot truth. You are probably wasting over $200,000 a year just managing your website. Sounds crazy, right? Stick around. I will show you why it happens and how a single expert Webflow team can fix it. Let me ask you 3 quick questions. How many hours a week does your team spend on website updates? How many people are juggling Slack threads, email, and hiring freelancers? And most importantly, how much is it actually costing you? Most SaaS companies spend 12 plus hours a week coordinating and burn $285K to $440K a year just to keep their site running. But here's the good news. There is a better way. With a dedicated Webflow agency, you get one expert team handling design, development, CRO, SEO, and content for just $1,999 a month. That's less than the cost of one junior hire. Hi, I'm Altaf, co-founder of Webflow and a Webflow premium partner. We have helped 10 plus SaaS companies simplify website management, remove all the stress, and save $200K a year. In this video, I will show you how it works and why it makes sense for SaaS companies. We will talk about the 3 biggest website problems for SaaS teams face and how a Webflow agency can fix them and getting the results like this. Let's start with the first big problem SaaS companies face: hiring multiple specialists just to keep your website running. For a high-performing Webflow website, most teams end up hiring Webflow developer $70 to $110K, UIUX designer $80K to $120K, CRO specialist $75K to $110K, SEO and content manager $60K to $100K. That's a total of $285K to $440K a year. And that's before you even count management headaches, coordination, and hiring costs. Here is the thing. You don't need to hire 4 people. With a dedicated Webflow agency like us, you get all these roles: designer, developers, CRO specialist, and content manager in one expert team. We take care of your website, improve sign up, and save your time and stress. And instead of burning $285K a year, it costs just $25K. That's over $200K saved every single year. Now, here is where it gets better. Most Webflow agencies charge $10,000 per month for a bit of what we do. But with us, it's only $1,999 per month for full expert team. And we make it risk-free. You can try us free for 5 hours, start with small pilot projects, see real results before committing. Once we start, here is how we work. First, we analyze your website, funnels, and conversions to create a custom plan. All communication happen on Slack, no messy email threads. We ship pages, designs, content, or test in 1 to 3 days. You basically get the power of full in-house team but without the cost of delays or stress. Now let's talk about the second big problem SaaS companies face: hiring freelancers from platforms like Upwork or LinkedIn. On paper, it sounds like a cost-saving move, but reality, it usually turns into headache. Inconsistent quality, missed deadlines, and endless time wasted managing multiple people instead of growing your SaaS. This pain really shows up when you need fast landing page updates, urgent bug fixes, or new integrations. Suddenly, you are coordinating across 5 different freelancers and nothing moves fast enough. Now, here's the reality. Hiring freelancers is one thing, but hiring dedicated Webflow agency changes the story completely. With freelancers, you always dealing with new faces, different skill levels, and missed deadlines. But with an experienced Webflow agency, you get a proven team who is already worked with multiple SaaS companies grow faster. And if that agency Webflow premium partner like us, you get faster delivery, expert guidance, solutions that actually work. One of our SaaS clients first hired a freelancer. Updates were slow, designs were inconsistent, deadlines kept slipping. Then they brought us in. Within a few weeks, we fixed their workflow, shipped high converting landing pages, and boosted conversions. Now their website updates are faster, cleaner, and actually drive growth. When you hire a Webflow agency instead of freelancer, here is what you get. First, you get a full team, no mistake, no learning curve. Second, what gets done faster up to 70% quicker. Third, the quality is higher, designs, development and SEO all are consistent. You also save time up to off time managing and coordinating. Moving or growing your website is easy and stress-free. Communication is simple, regular updates and no confusions. And finally, your landing pages are made to get real results and more growth. A lot of SaaS companies come to us after struggling the freelancers. And best part, most of them see better results, more leads, faster launches within weeks of switching. Alright, let's talk about the third big mistake I see lot of SaaS founders make. I hear this all time. We have got in-house team, our marketing and product people can handle the Webflow website. Sounds fine, right? But here's the problem. First, your team is already busy with product growth, campaigns and new features. Adding website work just take their focus away. Second, most internal teams are not Webflow or conversion experts. Things like SEO, accessibility, privacy and conversion optimizations can get missed and that cost you signups and revenue. Third, doing it yourself causes delays. Your team spends hours fixing bugs or layouts instead of growing your product. And finally, if your pages are not optimized for conversions, campaigns don't work well, leads get lost and growth slows down. So what's the solution? A dedicated Webflow team. A Webflow team handles design, development, SEO and conversions, all the website work while your team focused on product and growth. Updates are fast, pages are optimized and everything is stress-free. Companies we work with report up to 70% faster project turnaround, no more hours of lost fixing bugs or waiting on freelancers. Basically, your website stops being a headache and starts working as a growth engine. Fast, optimized and fully handled by experts. So the real question is this: do you want to keep juggling multiple specialists, freelancers and internal teams? Or do you want one expert Webflow team that handles everything, saving you time, money and stress? At Webflow, we have helped SaaS companies streamline their website operations, improve conversions and save over $200K a year. If you want to see how this works for your SaaS, hit the link below and book a free 5-hour trial or pilot project. No commitment. Just see how much faster, smoother and optimized your website can be. And if you want to boost conversions even further, I made another video where I break down 5 CRO tools and strategies every SaaS company should use. I have linked it in the description. Make sure to check it out after this. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with your team. Because every SaaS founder deserves a website that actually works for them, not against them.